racing our GT3 cars at Brans Hatch in England, coming up next on Slot Car Racing. Hello once again, Slot Car Race fans. Welcome back to another exciting race night as we are down here in England at Brans Hatch. And if you would like to build this amazing track, check it out on our Patreon account. I will leave the link down below. We've raced this one many times in many different leagues. You can find that in our playlist for Slot Car Racing. It's really cool. So at the end of this video, we are doing a Monster Hobbies special giveaway over on our Madcap Romanian channel. I'm going to leave the link below in the description. And now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. Let's get this up to 300 likes so the Google search engines will be able to find it. And now, without further ado, let's go down to the races. Brans Hatch. Sometimes the best thing you can do is survive. Oh. I thought it was like Mad Max all the way. So we're 15 laps in, we got 3, 2, 5, 6, 1, 4. Which would be Howard, George, Kevin, Glenn, myself, and Mark.
That's right. So we'll go up to 50 laps. We're at 37 laps.
Swiss, German, High German. High German, I think.
Yeah, these cars. They do turn it on. Yeah, the car's there. These are on the blocks.
Good practice for learning this shit.
Oh,
Trying to kill me there.
You can look at that after that one's mine. Oh, I got it.
yeah. Steel cone boots around here.
Yeah, no, you
Use it push.
do like. What's the secret?
Okay, 55 laps for this stuff. We're at 52. Here we are once again at the scoreboard where I got 17 points. Josh and Glenn tied for 38 points. Howard got 34, Kevin got 16, and Mark got a glorious 7 points. Now here's our league standings so far. Ellen is in 8th place with 26 points, Craig is 7th with 40, Mark is in 6th with 79, Glenn is 5th with 130, Kevin is 4th with 156, Howard is 3rd with 158, I'm in 2nd with 163, and Josh is in 1st with 237 points. Hey everybody, it's Trevor Slescu just sitting down here in the pits after our great race here. And I'm just going to answer a quick question that I've been getting a lot of comments and people commenting. And they're asking me, hey, I got a great idea. Why don't you do Nürburgring as one of your tracks? Well, actually, we have been doing it since we started slot car racing about 4 years ago. And I've videotaped it a few times. Digitally recorded it a few times. And there's the actual track plan that we use for Nürburgring. It came out of the old 1960s Road and Track model car and track magazine, actually. And if you want to know how to build Nürburgring, it's very simple. All you need to do is follow the Patreon link down below, scroll down the page, and you will find that video, and it will tell you how I built it. So that's really cool for you guys that want to do it. And actually, as part of the GT series, we will be finishing up on it at the end of June. So get ready to watch that. That will be the last race, and it'll be a very cool one. So race fans, let's continue with this amazing race. And wasn't that an amazing slot car race fans? We certainly had a lot of fun doing it, as well as a lot of fun catching all the cars and cleaning up all the accidents. So now I want to talk about our amazing slot car offer. What we are doing is we're trying to grow my Madcap Romanian channel up to 5,000 subscribers. So I am giving away this amazing little tow truck from Carrera. We will be doing that as a raffle. I will be leaving a video of it here, and our masterclass if you want to build this slot car track. I'll leave that video right there. But anyway, getting back to this offer, this truck is amazing. It has a horn, flashing lights, a tailgate which drops down. It'll hook up to any of the Carrera cars, except of course the F1s because they have the longer nose ring. But anyway, this thing is really amazing, and I would like to give it away to somebody. So again, check out those videos, and until next time, happy racing!